The voltage is your inheritance. Give me the doubters, the disbelievers, the ones whose temples done fell apart so long ago they forgot they were even holy. I'll rebuild them. Not with hope, with voltage. Not with optimism, with charged discipline. If you came for shortcuts, leave now. But if you came to rewire, resurrect, to pull the ionic gospel from your blood, from your bones, you in the right place. Because the diagnosis is written, the circuits are mapped, and the light is already inside you. I don't ask you to believe me, I ask you to remember the time your breath saved you. The day you were drowning in the hospital hallway, or with grief, or from sugar, or your chest just felt like, and all you asked for was just one more shot. That was the light, not the idea of God, the signal of him, the waveform that made your eyes open, the wattage that kept the book from closing. And now you here. Now you here with me. You reading the thing your ancestors couldn't say but knew in their bones. The voltage is your inheritance. Let us begin.